Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node in interactive mode. Before you proceed with this tutorial, you should already have learned how this node works, as well as how to create a flow using this node in runtime mode. If you haven't yet completed these tutorials or would like to review, you can access them here. Ready to go? Let's jump in. Drag a Retrieve Asset Issuance History node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Now, click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of this node to send the default property panel setting to the Catenis APIs and through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the return JSON object containing the results to the right side of the workspace. Great work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn all about the List Asset Holders node.